How do British people ask for directions? The most common phrases are, "Excuse me, where is the train station? Could you tell me the way to the bank? How do I get to the museum?" To give directions, use these expressions. Go straight ahead. Turn left. Turn right. Take the second left. Cross the road. Go past the supermarket. At the roundabout, take the second exit. Example: "Excuse me, where is the train station?" Go straight ahead for about 200 meters, turn left at the traffic lights, and the station is on your right. Useful vocabulary: traffic lights, roundabout, junction, opposite, next to, behind, in front of.
Remember, opposite means across the road. Next to means beside. Go straight ahead means continue forward. These are the phrases you will hear most often in everyday British English.